Good morning, students. Children, today is the fourth part of our revision, and this is video 2, that is advanced video. And I'm sure you are watching both the videos as you have been instructed to. Today we will be taking up chapter 1.6, The Alchemy of Nature. Now, if you look into your textbook, if you see the meaning given there, if you see the actual meaning of alchemy is, it's an ancient forerunner of chemistry about attempts to convert base metals into gold. But if you're talking about in reference to the chapter that we are doing, the meaning of alchemy is different. Okay, it's nothing to do with science or chemistry. It's nothing to do with converting base metal into gold. Here we are talking about what? Mysterious power or magic that can change things. Okay, so here the author is talking about how nature is, behaves like a mystery, okay, a power or magic. And let's see a little about the author. 36-year-old Raksha Baradia, a homemaker turned writer, born in a Marwari family in Kolkata. Raksha studied political science at the Loreto College. So a very young age writer and very well written chapter. If you look at the summary, well, you have to read the chapter. Please read all your chapters, whatever you have in unit 1. Of course, remembering which is deleted, okay? Don't always remember what portion is not there, okay? Don't do that. Now, coming to the summary, Raksha Baradia, the author tells us that nature is the best teacher for us. Nature whispers and commands. We see the hibiscus flower blooming and wilting on the same day. We see the water taking years to change the shape of the rocks. We see small bits of grass peeping through concrete pavements, trying to tell us that nothing is impossible. We see a bare tree in winter becoming green and colorful in summer. We see small ants nudging a big fly. These instances show us perseverance. Now, what is perseverance? Perseverance is when you try and not giving up, okay, in spite of difficulties. We see an oyster changing a grain of sand into a pearl and a caterpillar changing into a beautiful butterfly. This is the alchemy of nature. So what is alchemy? The mysterious power or magic that can change things. So a lot to learn from nature. That is what the author wants to tell us. And of course, this is just a summary. You got to read the entire chapter. It's not a very lengthy chapter, children, or what you can see. I hope your textbooks are open. You've got some warming up exercise there. Please see that you're doing the warming up exercises also. All right, don't just leave that out. And you have your chapter on page number 38 and 39. You've got meanings there. I'm going to read out the meanings. You have to learn all the meanings that are there in your text. All right, and what is given on the slide too. So you have your instinctively by a natural instinct. What is there naturally in you? That's called instinct. Then enhancing, enriching, soothes, makes someone feel calm or less worried. Awe is great wonder and amazement. Wilting, drying and dropping. Withers is rise and dry. Then splendor. When you talk about splendor, you talk about the king, you talk about God, okay? Splendor. Brilliant or gorgeous appearance. Magnificent. Colossal, huge, massive. Infinity, time or space that has no end. Eternity is time which has no ends or no limits. Persist is when you don't give up. You continue doing something in a determined way. Then alchemy is what? Here it refers to mysterious, magical process of transforming things. And a little more, you have this phrase, chapter was over. When we say the chapter was over, means what? Dead. Okay, it's not the actual meaning, the literal meaning of chapter was over. Here when we use this is a phrase, okay, so chapter was over, dead. Conviction, strong, firm belief. Lodging, pulling with great difficulty. Frail feelers, weak legs. Perseverance, constant efforts in spite of obstacles. Consistent, steady. Unhindered, without disturbance. Ego, here it means pride. And again you have the alchemy there, repeating this meaning again because it's so important. Mysterious power or magic that can change things. Alright, so these are all your meanings. You've got some grammar questions. I've done it in the other slide, so please look at that slide too. I've done transitive and intransitive, which is given in your textual, okay, on page number 42. And you've got other exercises too. You have web diagram on page 40. Okay, those some of them have already been done in the earlier slide. So what I want you to do is watch the earlier slide, children. That is around in July somewhere. Just watch the slide. Read your chapters, read those meanings. Alright? And prepare yourself well because you've just got MCQ questions. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself and God bless you.